Laws of motion. Force is a polar vector as it has a point of application. Forces can be classified as positive and negative. A positive force represents repulsion, for example, between two like charges, and a negative force represents attraction, for example, between two unlike charges. A gravitational unit is g times the corresponding absolute unit. A gravitational unit of force is used to express the weight of a body. For example, the weight of a body of mass 10 kg is 10 kg weight or 10 kgf. For this reason, the gravitational units are also called practical units. Force is not always in the direction of motion. It may be along velocity v vector, opposite to v vector, normal to v vector, or may make some angle with v vector. The cause of every accelerated motion is an external force. Internal forces have no role to play. If v vector equal to 0 at an instant, that is, if a body is momentarily at rest, it does not mean that force or acceleration are necessarily 0 at that instant. For example, when a ball thrown up reaches its maximum height, v vector equal to 0, but the force continues to be its weight mg and acceleration equal to g. Newton's first and third laws can be derived from the second law. Therefore, second law is the most fundamental law out of the three laws. If n bullets each of mass m and velocity v are fired from a gun, then the average force acting on the gun is mnv. Swimming becomes possible because of third law of motion. Those frames which are at rest with respect to one another or which are moving with uniform speed with respect to one another are called inertial frames of reference. Newton's laws of motion are valid only in inertial frame of reference. When the lift is at rest or in uniform motion, then the weight recorded by the spring balance is equal to the actual weight of the body. When the lift is accelerated up, then the weight recorded by the spring balance is more than the actual weight of the body. When the lift is accelerated down, the weight recorded by the spring balance is less than the actual weight of the body. For a lift falling freely, acceleration of the lift is g, and hence the body will feel weightlessness. The spring balance will record an increase in weight for a moment when the lift starts to move up with uniform velocity, and then will record the actual weight of the body. When the lift just begins to move down with uniform speed, the spring balance will record a decrease in weight for a moment, and then will record the actual weight of the body. The straight line along which a force acts is called the line of action of the force. The limiting frictional force between two surfaces in contact with each other depends only on mu, nature of surfaces, and normal contact force r. It does not depend on their shape, size, and surface area. Centripetal force is not a new kind of force. The material forces such as tension, gravitational force, electrical force, friction, etc. may act as the centripetal force in any circular motion. Centripetal force is the name given to any force that provides radial inward acceleration to a body in circular motion.